My sew sampler for November finally came. Finally. So, do you want to see what's inside with me? I did get an email letting me know that perhaps my box could be late. It didn't say if mine specifically would. They got some of one of the items in, and some people were able to get their box as normal, and some people had to wait. They said they just randomly selected who would get their box more on time and who would be later. It's fine. Everything has been crazy right now with shipping and COVID and all that stuff, so I get it. They're doing the best they can. With all that said, I'm still excited it's finally here, so let's see what is inside. I didn't peek yet. It's sealed. And if I can work my scissors without hurting myself, we'll get in here and take a look. I love this box, and I love the box from the Pre-Cuts Quilt Shop. The Pre-Cuts Quilt Shop is pricier than this box at $55, but it is amazing. That box is, I'm obsessed with that box. This one's good too, though. So Woodland Romance, ooh, fancy. And then on the back of this sleeve, get a peeky peek at coupon codes and everything, which are exclusive to the box, so I'm not going to show it. Okay, so our little pamphlet that shows what we have in here. Ooh. So this is a bobbin boat to store bobbins. My Bernina sewing machine takes these huge bobbins, so I won't be able to use that. I'll set it aside because I tend to get like a little pile of stuff that I can either gift or do a giveaway for. A rotary cutting, oh, that's cute. So it's a little mini cutting mat, and then on the other side is a pressing mat. This would be really handy to keep by my sewing machine when I'm doing like a project that requires me to press seams a lot. That's handy. What are these? Duckbill scissors. What the heck is that for? Oh, applique cutting needs. That's why I wouldn't know what it's for. I don't do applique very much. Scissors allows for precision cuts every time. I don't know. I'd have to look up and see what those are for. And this is Folklore. How funny. Did you see my video maybe a week or so ago? I got the, I think it was a half yard or a full yard bundle of the Folklore set, because it is gorgeous. And then we have two patterns. So let's take a look. Not really one that I would do. Not a big fan. It's okay, just not, it's not something that would entice me. So Feelin' Pine, so I'm guessing those are supposed to be little pine cones. Bummer. I love getting new patterns that I'd really like. It looks like it would be fairly easy to do with these strips, but that's not for me. Not really into it. And then the Greatest Hits pattern is up here, and that's cute. I need to get started doing those. So my favorite thing from the box, the mat will come in really handy. I like the two-sided mat, and I could always use fabric. I love this fabric line, obviously, because I bought a big old bundle of it. I'm not going to open it. If you would like to see what is in it, I'll put a link to this fabric line in the description. And you can also go, I went through all the fabric in the video where I unboxed that bundle of fabric. So I only really like 2 items from this. I mean, the Greatest Hits pattern, I will hopefully get to working on those soon, but I'm not really a big fan of the pattern in this one. It's just not for me. The bobbin boat would be really handy if my bobbins fit in this one, but they won't. And the scissors, I don't know why they're shaped that way since I don't do applique stuff. So I'm sure they would come in really handy for some people. I just don't know. So let's see. So the fabric is valued at $19.98, the scissors at $14.98, the bobbin boat at $4.48, and the mini cut and press mat is at $16.24. So I think there's a good value in there. Definitely good value. This is a better picture of the greatest hits track. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'll be setting the scissors, the pattern, and the bobbin boat aside for a giveaway coming up soon. I recently hit 1,000 subscribers, so maybe I'll gather some other stuff and do a giveaway based around that. I already have another giveaway going right now for a craft kit, so you can go check out that video. This craft kit is from Project Home DIY. That is the one I finished. The one that is for the giveaway is unfinished, so if you're interested in that, go check out that video. But what a bummer of a box. I'm not too, for that long of a wait, I was hoping it would be a lot better. I'm sure some people will love everything that was in it. I just like the fabric and the mat. The fabric is the most important thing to me, so I'm really glad it is fabric that I really love. But yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of this box, whether you get it or not. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and thanks again. See you next time. Bye.